You ready? Okay. You excited? Go see Daddy. Go on.
Come on.
There you go.
Yeah, come on. Come on, Colin.
No, don't sit down yet. Gotta take a couple more steps. Show Mimsy and Nana. There you go. Yeah. That was a good one. There you go.
Yay!
Colin. Yay!
Yeah!
Is this considered the start of his driving career?